皆さんおはようございます。 DMCI ホームス日本語チャンネルの木原隆です。今は朝6時です。今日はですねチームのアウティングでバギオに行きたいと思います。ちょっとまだね眠いですけれども、ここから4時間ぐらいねかけてバギオに向かいたいと思います。はい、それではよろしくお願いします。楽しみです。イエーイ。はい、ラムホームスのスタッフたちです。盛り上がってます。So, Kiara, where we go to lunch?
Good taste, the Garda Branch.
So, what kind of restaurant? Filipino food, like what? Longganisa?
Chicken, beef broccoli, pancit, crispy pot.
いいね。はい。So, Mel, how do you describe Baguio so far?
Baguio is a huge and lots of people every night, and the climate is quite cold, especially during evening. So enjoy.
Yeah. How about Ben? What do you think about Baguio?
It's cold.
Do you like Baguio?
Yes, very.
Because
Yes, that's what Omiyagi.
lots of omiyage.
Yes, souvenirs,
What did you buy?
keychains and t-shirts.
Keychain and t-shirts. Nice. How about roads?
Yeah, Baguio is a beautiful place, hoping to explore more today and tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Last
Going to
day.
Strawberry Farm.
Strawberry farm. That's why you are wearing
Actually,
strawberry color.
no, I have also an outfit for tomorrow.
For tomorrow, for the strawberry. So, Donita, hi.
I thought you don't remember my name.
No, of course not. Right? So, how many times have you been to Baguio?
This is my fourth time.
First time.
Yeah.
So, where's your recommendation place?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Souvenirs and vegetables.
Vegetable also.
Very poor.
Mura is cheap.
Yes.
Comparing to Manila.
Yes.
So, next, Dina. So, is it second time or first time?
It's my birthday.
Oh, congratulations. How is Baguio?
It's nice and so many places.
Beautiful places. Also, Bruce. Oh, sexy one. How is Baguio? Beautiful. No? Again. Beautiful. Huh? Oh. You have a jacket? Hi. Yeah. Represent Isabela. So, how many times have you been to Baguio? Second time.
First, 2018.
2018.
Yeah.
Yeah, like activity like
Yes,
that.
it was a Christmas party.
Oh, yes. How is Baguio?
Baguio is very cold.
Very cold.
Yes, very nice weather.
Yes.
Sunny and cold.
Sir,
Hi.
sir, how many times have you been to Baguio?
Baguio, I think more than 10 times.
Oh. What's your most unforgettable experience here?
In Baguio, unforgettable experience is I had several gigs in Baguio before. With tropical depression. Do you know the reggae band? Tropical depression. Papado. Way back 10 years ago, we had like event, like reggae event, like DJ. Also, like people like
Enjoying.
for the music. That's unforgettable.
If ever you will be given a chance to stay here, not only for vacation or what, are you willing to stay here, sir?
Yeah. Also, like I like Baguio also, but also like Banao, Benguet, Sagada. The mountain province is nice.
Would you recommend Baguio to Japanese people, sir, or Japanese visitors?
Yes. Yes, because of weather. Like, the weather is like the fun. Like skiing or autumn.
Okay.
Hi. ちょうどね、今ご飯も終わった後ですが、How was the lunch?
So overwhelming.
食べ過ぎましたか
So good.
いや、
Like the chop suey.
ああ。How was that?
Like below me.
Romy? Ah, we left over, right? Sayang.
Yeah,
Eh? Ah, here?
Yeah.
So, merienda
Later.
later. What's that?
Taste good and cheap.
Cheap. Oh, comparing to Manila.
Yes.
Like, if it's Manila, like how much? Like, what do you think? Like,
I think 13,000.
13,000. So, meaning 1.5 times like that. Oh. Oh, how is road? Can you live in Baguio?
50-50.
50. So, what's a 50?
I like cold weather.
But,
I also love Cebu.
huh?
I also love. Hindi, Manila.
You love hot.
No, sir. I love cold weather. But I love also living in Manila.
Ah, yeah.
Especially city.
Then, so, can you live in Baguio?
Yes.
Because,
Because the food is good. And I also love cold weather.
cold weather, you like.
The vegetables is good.
Ah, are you vegetarian?
Sometimes.
Sometimes vegetarian. Wow.
It depends.
Hey, Mel. あれ
はい。
はい、こんにちは。So, how is Baguio?
Baguio is cold,
うん。
but I would say if I'm gonna stay here,
うん。
I prefer Nakatan than Vietnam.
ああ。
So,
うん。
if going here, stay in not just but I choose Manila.
おー。
Baguio is a nice place.
So, Jared, right? You're from Baguio, right?
I live here. Yes.
You live here
Yes. For
4 years.
yes.
Ah, so you are not hometown.
It's not
Where is your hometown?
Pangasinan.
Ah, Pangasinan. And then you study in Baguio.
Yes.
How was that 4 years?
It's good, sir. Like I had my early adulthood. I spent my early adulthood or after.
Adult food?
Yes.
What's adult food?
After 18, like
Ah, yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Here with my friends. And I made many memories. I learned a lot.
So you can come back Baguio.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
It is and will always be the same.
Oh. So, how is Baguio?
Very,
So.
it's very good. Yes, I can live also Jiripa.
Oh.
Cold,
Mm.
also sunny but not very hot.
Yeah, it's nice. So, which do you prefer, Baguio or Manila?
If the opportunity that we have in Baguio, maybe I choose Baguio.
Oh, Baguio.
Opportunity to work here. Baguio.
So, if ever Ram Homes in Baguio,
Sige, Baguio.
Baguio.
Let's go
Wow.
Baguio.
I have a question. Like, so among us, among Ram Home staff, so I have several questions. And then if you think, oh, this person, you point, it's okay.
Yes.
Okay, so the next question is who is the most like food lover to eat? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Rose! Oh, congratulations! Who is that boy? Your boyfriend?
Yeah, my husband.
Oh, your husband! Oh, guapo. Oh. Okay, so what's your favorite food? Seafood, like
Crabs, shrimp, anything.
crab and shrimp. So, which do you prefer, bangus or tilapia? Hard to choose.
Maybe both.
Bangus, oh, boneless.
Yes.
How about seafood? Like you like what kind of dessert do you like? Chocolate. Like
Anything chocolate.
pink chocolate. Ah, ice cream.
Chocolate malaki.
Oh, I like. Do you know the some Japanese chocolate? Macadamia, Meiji macadamia is my favorite food. Okay. So, next question. Who is the best chef? Okay, hi. 3, 2, 1, point. Oh, oh, Joy and then Kiara. Oh, so Kiara, what's your like your specialty? Pasta. Any pasta? Bongole?
Yes.
Also. So we can start pasta restaurant.
Head chef.
Head chef.
Lasagna, sir.
Hey, lasagna also.
Specialty.
Wow. So yeah, if you have a new office, there is a pastarian. Nice. How about Joy? Like, what's your specialty? Adobo? Adobong manok and baboy or like standard. Like,はい、じゃあですね、DMCI ホームスの、コーポレートセクレタリーのロバート・マルティネスさんに、バギオについて、語っていただきたいと思います。How many times have you been to Baguio so far?
I don't remember many times.
Many times, more than 10 times.
Ah, yes.
Mm.
First time I went to Baguio was when I was 5 years old.
5 years
So
old.
many times.
Oh. How do you describe Baguio?
It's summer capital of the Philippines.
気温がね、いい温度してますからね。
Because of the cold weather.
いいですね。Yeah, good weather here.
Yes.
Like average is 20 degrees. Like that.
More Also, Baguio is one of the few places in the country where there's lots of pine trees.
うんうん。
So it looks like another country.
おー、確かにそうですね。Do you know some food of Baguio?
The locals from Baguio are also Ilocanos. So
I see.
the local food here is Ilocano food.
Ilocano food.
Yes. Longganisa, bagnet, basically things that the Ilocanos are famous for. They have very good versions of that here in Baguio.
Oh, I like lechon also. Lechon from Baguio. Like
Lechon from Baguio. Wow.
lechon manok. Like different
Lechon
way.
manok from Baguio, they have their own way making
Oh.
Strawberries is also very popular. in Baguio. So yeah, that's one of the things I come for. Strawberries.
Yes. Nice. We're gonna go to strawberry farm tomorrow.
Because strawberries don't grow everywhere in the Philippines. Only in the high cold regions like this place.
ありがと
Thank you
はい
very much.
う。イエーイ。
チャンネル登録、いいね、よろしくお願いします。